Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we explore the most incredible tech breakthroughs and ingenious hacks from around the world. Today, we're diving into a story that literally broke the internet over on Hacker News, a tale of engineering brilliance, cost-cutting wizardry, and the humble ESP32 microcontroller taking on an industry behemoth. Imagine replacing a complex proprietary bowling center management system, one that typically costs upwards of $120,000, with an open-source solution built for just $1,600. Yes, you heard that right, $120,000 down to $1,600. This isn't science fiction, it's the real-world achievement of an engineer who decided enough was enough with overpriced, outdated bowling technology. And trust me, it's a game changer. So, what's the big deal with existing bowling alley systems? For decades, these centers have relied on specialized, often ancient, hardware and software to manage everything from pin setters and ball returns to scorekeeping and lane assignments. These systems are typically proprietary, meaning only the original manufacturer can service them, sell parts, or provide updates. This creates a bottleneck, leading to exorbitant maintenance costs, scarce and expensive replacement parts, and a complete lack of modern features. When a component fails, bowling alley owners face a painful choice: shell out thousands for a repair or even tens of thousands for an outdated replacement system, or risk shutting down lanes, losing revenue, and frustrating customers. It's a massive burden for many small to medium-sized businesses. This is where our hero, armed with a vision and a deep understanding of modern electronics, stepped in. The weapon of choice? The ESP32. For those unfamiliar, the 32 Spanish pesetas is a low-cost, low-power microcontroller with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's a staple in the DIY and IoT communities. Incredibly versatile, and packed with enough processing power and GPIO pins to handle a wide array of tasks. Its affordability and robust feature set make it perfect for projects where custom control and connectivity are key. Our engineer saw the ESP32 not just as a hobbyist board, but as the core of a powerful, modern, and incredibly cost-effective bowling alley management system. The project began with meticulous reverse engineering. The existing system's wiring diagrams were likely non-existent or heavily guarded secrets. So, it involved carefully tracing wires, understanding electrical signals, and identifying how the various components, the pin setters, the ball returns, the scoring sensors, and the lane lights, communicated with the central control unit. This wasn't just replacing a black box. It was fundamentally understanding the mechanics and electronics of a bowling alley from the ground up. The engineer then designed custom circuit boards and interfaces to allow the ESP32s to communicate with and control these existing mechanical systems. Imagine a network of 32 Spanish pesetas boards, each dedicated to a specific lane, monitoring sensors for fallen pins, controlling the pinsetter motor, managing the ball return mechanism, and updating the scoreboard in real time. The custom software running on the ESP32s was the true magic. It handled complex tasks like detecting strikes and spares, managing fouls, and even custom animations on the lane monitors. Everything was designed to be modular and scalable. Instead of a single, monolithic $120,000 box, you now have a distributed system of $7 microcontrollers, relay boards, and custom PCBs. The overall cost includes not just the microcontrollers but also power supplies, enclosures, wiring, and a central server for managing all the lanes. The software was likely developed using common programming languages, making it easier to modify, debug, and even contribute to as an open source project. This approach drastically simplifies maintenance. If an ESP32 fails, you simply swap it out for another $7 board, not a $5,000 proprietary module. The implications of this project are enormous. For bowling alley owners, it means massive cost savings, improved reliability, and the ability to integrate modern features that were previously impossible or prohibitively expensive. Think about custom lighting effects tied to gameplay, real-time analytics, or even integration with booking apps. For the broader tech community, it's a testament to the power of open-source hardware and software. It proves that with ingenuity and readily available components, you can disrupt an entire industry that has long been locked behind proprietary walls. This project empowers small businesses and inspires countless makers and engineers to tackle similar problems in other industries. This incredible achievement from Hacker News is more than just a cool hack. It's a blueprint for innovation, a symbol of what's possible when you combine curiosity with technical skill. It shows us that true value often lies not in expensive brand names, but in clever design and accessible technology. What do you think about this mind-blowing project? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into revolutionary tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next